Welcome to the very last screencast devoted to covering system preferences on your MacBook. This is part 5 of 5. On this screencast, we're going to be looking at Time Machine, accessibility, and third-party applications and programs such as Flash Player. Time Machine, I'm going to touch on that last, and then hit accessibility before that. The only thing that before I hit these two, I want to say is the Flash Player. So anytime you have new application or something that affects your system or your computer in general, it will be added in the system preferences. So the Flash Player has its own preference. So things like that you might see being popped in from time to time after you download different apps or programs such as the Flash Player. Okay, so accessibility, you also see it, I have it up here again by clicking the option to show it in the menu bar, but that's where you can go in and change, basically if you are having a hard time seeing the screen, if you need to be able to zoom in, have voiceover, this allows you to have different accessibility options that you can turn on and off at any point in time. So happen to have a hard hearing student in your class, and just for that particular class period only, you want to turn that on. So all of these can be toggled on and off at any point. If you used a mobile device from Apple, they also have the accessibility options and can be handy for a variety of different things that you're trying to do. Like, subtitles, for example, something as simple as that. You can turn those on and off if need be. And then finally, Time Machine. Time Machine is actually the default program that comes on your MacBook that allows you to back up your files, actually your whole computer, if you have an external hard drive. So you can go ahead and toggle Time Machine on. You just need to make sure that you actually have an actual external hard drive plugged in, because you need to select your backup disk in regards to where you're telling Time Machine to back up your data to. And so another good thing about Time Machine is that you can actually go back in time by just scrolling through what your desktop looked like yesterday, or all the way 2 years ago in the past. So that's another good thing about Time Machine. So if you have an external hard drive, I would definitely recommend using Time Machine to back up your computer, maybe every week. Guys, that's going to conclude this particular screencast. It also wraps up our series devoted toward system preferences on the MacBook. Thank you guys for watching.